Completing the Fukuoka Nagasaki loop feels good. As far as travel goes, it's been a dream. Japanese towns and izakayas for the win. Last night, back in the Big Smoke, I hit up an okonomiyaki teppan place. Watching the chefs hard at work, flipping hiroshinomiyakis and other delicacies. Their meipo tofu was unexpectedly outstanding, but no time to dwell. It's a combini for breakfast, protein, salad, onigiri, and I take a moment to explore this little shrine next door. I get rolling and watch the city's bustle fade behind me. Flat roads, perfect weather, easy riding. The kilometers are flying by. By midday, I pull into Miyazaki Shrine, up a flight of stairs, past some impressive horse sculptures, through the mountain gate and into the Kedai. It's gorgeous, with Emma swaying in the breeze. It's a nice place to give my legs a rest. Back on the bike, and it's a short ride to Fukuoka Station. Bike nicely packed, and I make my way to the platform. Looks like it'll be a commuter today, standing room only. And in no time, we pull into Takuro Station, Kitakyushu. Stepping off the train, I see a monorail cutting through the sky. From central terminus to who knows where. Feels somehow futuristic and over-engineered for this small city. I want one. A quick snack at a station restaurant, and then I'm back on Foldy for a spin through the city. Kokura Castle's the big draw. Tall, proud, and, well, Japan's got no shortage of epic castles. As impressive as it is, in Japan, it's just another castle, and we'll see another tomorrow. The light fades and the sky becomes a striking orange, and I feel like it's getting close to izakaya time. It is. Taka, you're up.
So I'm in Kitakyushu at another izakaya, and this place looks really interesting. And this, let me read off the menu, grilled suki. This is a specialty dish of urawarama, where carefully selected pork spare ribs are slowly steamed, then marinated in a secret sauce, then grilled over charcoal. Please give it a try. Okay. Oh my god, look at this. Look at that, it just pours off. I am very, very excited about this. Let's try. So it's cooked over charcoal, but also I think they use the flame in this part of the world. Look, that bone is just gonna fall out, I reckon. Oh, there it goes. What did I say? So yeah, just a giant pork spare rib just pulls off the bone and all of that fat as well. So it's got sesame seeds and it's got spring onions, and then there's like a light teriyaki sauce. So I guess like a light teriyaki marinade, and it's all about that charcoal and just the quality of the pork. Oh, there was a lot of fat in that mouthful and it was so good. I got some matsunabe, by the way. It looks a bit different to the one I tried at the airport. We'll get to that soon. I'm just letting that fat cook for a little bit. So I also ordered this. Translation is meatball with egg yolk. I'm pretty sure it's chicken. And you can see that egg yolk. Look at that nice yellow egg yolk. And actually why I ordered it was basically I wanted to dip some meat into the egg yolk and tare sauce, because at yakiniku restaurants I absolutely love that. So have a look. Oh, yum. Super good, a few chives in there. Charcoal on the outside as per standard, and of course all about that raw egg yolk and the tare sauce. Super, super good. So it seems like it's time for some matsunabe. And interestingly, when I had it last time, it had like a milky broth, and this time it's like a clear brown broth. It's like a sweet soy with dashi broth. So yeah, last one was a miso garlic, but it was, you know, it's like a close to a tonkotsu broth. A little bit lighter, I guess. So this one, let me try the broth. So it's like a sweet soy. So I'm guessing mirin and soy, and then a dashi broth as well. Inside we've got a bunch of chives, lots of cabbage. This horomon is looking a bit different because it's got a lot more meat on it. The meat to fat ratio is slightly more in the meat's favor. So let's try that. Give me about half an hour to chew this. That's quite chewy. I feel like it needs a few more hours to simmer, to be honest. And also when I had the horomon last night, it was cooked on the teppan, and so it cooked out a little bit of that fat as well. So I reckon I'm gonna put these back in the pot and I'm gonna let them cook for a little bit longer and maybe order a few more dishes. All right, more charcoal cooked chicken this time. This is Jidori no momoyaki. So this is a specialty chicken from the Miyazaki prefecture, and it's from the mountains. It's like a proper free-range chicken, and they cook it over charcoal, and they kind of cook it in the flame as well. Well, look how dark that is. Comes with the yuzu pepper on the side. I'm just gonna try this straight. So this Jidori chicken has a bit of a chew to it. It's not like one of our fat lazy chickens in a cage, you know, it's like free range, it's a hearty chicken. And you've got this yuzu pepper on the side, which I'm growing very, very fond of. Super salty. So I wonder if it's naturally dark or if it's just from the cooking process, because it is that open flame that they're using, and I guess it's probably mainly that. It's a really striking, distinct and salty flavor. When you think of chicken, you think of this kind of soft, white, flavorless kind of meat, but this, it has something going for it. It's got a bit of game about it. Yeah, I really rate it. So good. So, Jidori chicken, it's got game. And finally, gyoza. So beautifully pan-fried and steamed. That's what makes the gyoza special. A little sauce on the side. So yeah, they're just so juicy inside. And they've got chives as well, and then this vinegar soy. Nice sour vinegar. Super delicious. And I have ordered a lot of food, but I'm gonna eat these all because I have a big ride tomorrow.
It's all fun and games now, Tucker, but just you wait. Tomorrow, you suffer. Yep, it's a big ride. Kitakyushu to Nagasaki, and then on to Beppu. Expect some chicken nambam for lunch, another izakaya with Beppu specialties for dinner, and the fanciest accommodation of this whole trip. Wanna see? Well, punch the button, and let's keep this adventure rolling.